Alright, this is actually number 64. If we're looking at the review, it was just mislabeled. Okay, so number 64 on the test 5.2 pre-cal review. Let Q represent the mass of radium, whose half-life is 1620 years. The quantity of radium after T years is given by this function here. Determine the initial quality, then determine the quality present after 1,000 years. So if we think about this, the initial quantity is going to be at what time? How much time has passed when the measurement is first taken? None. The initial quality, the time is 0. So what we're going to do is plug in 0 to this time function here. So we'll have Q equals 16, and this is a half-life, so it's 1/2 to the 0 over 1620. Half-life is always in the denominator. So if we have 0 out of 1620, that's 0. So that's the same as saying 16 to the 1/2, or 16 times 1/2 to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So this equals 16 times 1. So our initial quantity is 16. And if you recall, the formula, the parent function of this is our principal amount. This is what we're starting with. So the formula told us that initially, but we just confirmed it by plugging in time of 0. Okay, now let's find the quantity present after 1,000 years. So we're going to take the same function, and except we're going to use 1,000 for time instead of 1620. Instead of 0. So we use 0 for initial time. Now it's been 1,000 years. So we plug this into the calculator. Be sure to use parentheses in your exponent. And that's going to equal around 10.4 years. So after 1,000 years, wrong units. 10.4, let's see, what are we looking at? I'm assuming it's grams. We're talking about mass, so we'll just say grams.